Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Hey guys, so it is time for my printed mint unboxing for the stationery business. And I got my box today, so I'm excited to open it and unbox it and show you guys what I did decide to order in my live reaction, full review to the items. All right. So I have a mint box here. It comes with my Coins and Connections logo on the outside because I did the branding. I did order a candle, so it has Fragile on the front. Try to open this and show you guys at the same time. So as soon as you open it, you see my logo and you see the crinkle paper, the bubble wrap, and all of that. So again, there's my logo. On the other side is my address, the date that I ordered, and what I ordered. I ordered the mug glass, I ordered the crew socks, and I ordered a candle. Okay, so again, bubble wrap, crinkle paper. Okay, so the crinkle paper is in here, if you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take some of the crinkle paper out. Oh my gosh, y'all, the candle smells divine. I'm gonna save the candle for last. Okay, so I'm excited to see what this looks like. And why does it look like I just have a black pair of socks? Because if my design is not on here, I will be so mad. Oh, I forgot what I did. Okay, all right. So I'm opening the socks, and I think you guys saw on the front I had small business owner going up that way, and then here I had small business owner on the back. Gonna be my favorite pair of socks, okay? My favorite pair. I'm definitely adding this to the website, okay? So that's the socks. I got a small, medium. They both came in here, and it came in eco-friendly wrap. The candle smells so good, y'all. Okay, next we have the mug. Oh my gosh, that candle smells so good. All right, so cutting the bubble wrap for the mug. Oh, this is the candle. That's why it smells so good. It looks like it melted a little bit. Oh. No. So looks like my candle melted a little bit. Looks like there was some wax on the outside. All right, so now I'm gonna open it. So I have my photos, and as I open it, you can see it's leaked all the way through. So I'll probably get another photo of that. But it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I put smells like money. I think this is what I would want money to smell like. Okay, so I open it. It is hot out, so oh my gosh, y'all, it smells so good. What scent did I get? I just completely forgot about y'all because it smells so good. Oh, I got birthday cake. It smells delicious. Even though it's the outside's a little right, but this looks good. Small business owner, smells like money. But this is the mug. Again, everything that I unwrapped had this eco-friendly sticker on there, so that is something to note. And I'm sad. It's really see-through. Oh my gosh, you could barely see it. You could barely see the words in there. So I probably should have did it black. I think I did it white. So I'm definitely going to take pictures of this because I thought the white would show up. So we'll see if I can get this reprinted in black, because you can barely see it on here at all. Like, there's nothing I can really do for you guys to see that. It looks like it's clear. It doesn't look white at all. Okay, so love the socks, love the smell of the candle. A little sad that it melted, but I am in Texas. It is high heat. Just because everything didn't come out right for me, I really thought I would be able to see the white, but that looks like it's a negative, or maybe it was just an issue.
All right, y'all. So I did find this on Printed Mint's website, and I guess I didn't read the facts. It says, will white appear on glass products? No, the lighter color, the more transparent it will appear on the final product. For example, black will appear opaque, while white will be completely transparent. Black prints are best. So that was my mistake.
I still love Printed Mint forever. I just want to see the words on my mug, but these are really cute. They're thick, the handle is strong, and I can't wait to drink out of it. So cute. And my candle smells divine, so I really don't have a complaint. Just want to make sure I change the design here so I can actually see it on the mug. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I love you more than I love this video. Peace.